Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, and I bring to you good news too, because here on my screen and right here now, we're showing you an automation process that allows you send message right from your website, be it a custom-made website locally with HTML, CSS, whatever technology, React, whatever technology you used for your main website, and then you can send it to Microsoft Teams directly. And also you can also send it to your inbox and all of that. So stay with me as I walk you through this. So quickly, this is a sample you can see on my screen where it's captured the name of the person, it captured the email of the person, the subject and the message the person wants to send. How did I achieve this? I'm going to show you a demo now. So if I go to my GitHub and give the Ahmed by name and go to the repo, I have a new repo here which is Gift Ahmed, and once you get there you click on the deployed website. It's my own personal portfolio in a case where somebody wants to reach out to me and I don't want to pay for plugins or anything that has to do with forms and all of that. I want to use the Microsoft Teams because it's my day-to-day application. So I can come to contact. Then once you come to contact, you see where it says contact form. Then I'm going to fill in my contact form, Gift Ahmed. Email address I'm going to use Gift Ahmed 2. That's my email in case somebody take for instance somebody is filling it now. The person use his or her mail in case I want to reach out. Subject, it could be meeting. Then I can just write we are in a meeting now. So take for instance you just want to maybe we have discussed or whatever the case may be. Now once you hit send a message here, it's going to send it to my Teams. So I will just click on send message and it says message has been sent successful. You say okay, and if you come to Teams now, right here now you see the latest message is we are in a meeting now. That's the message, and the subject is meeting, and this was the email. So I get it directly in my team. And in addition to that, if I go to my website, if I go to my email inbox, my own personal mail, I've also customized it that it also sends like a notification to my email, not even on Teams alone, also my inbox, that is my email inbox. Here now, I can just say I titled it my website messenger notification, and I also get it on my email, be it depending on the case scenario you want to use it. So all right, now to show you the actual demo of how I get to do this thing. First of all, I opened my Power Automate and I created a flow I used when a HTTP request is received. So from the source code in my Colab here, and that's in my Visual Studio Code, I already created a form with an action and an ID that has all the details as I want. Like I gave full name as an ID, email, subject, and message depending on how you or the case you want to use it. So I just have that. Then in my Power Automate here, I already created a JSON object, a JSON schema rather, that has all the object attributes I need, which is the name, the email, the subject, and the message. Then I passed it through a JSON parser to be able to split each of the entity I'm receiving. Then I post that into Microsoft Teams as I extract each of them into a particular channel, and once that is done, I also send that exact message to another custom email in case I am not with my messenger that particular I'm not with my teams at that time. I can also receive it in my other email address automatically. So that's how I got to do that. So once that is done and you are done with that, you can automate it in such a way like that. But be it remind you that there are a lot of little technicalities into this, because when you have this form, you also have to write a little JavaScript for forms that actually link the API as the API that I call here, which is like post request I make, and then once it fails, it tells you fail. If it's successful, it tells you it's successful. That's how you get to see the pop-up anytime you feel it. So give it one more try before we go. What we'll do is you can fill name, you can use any email of the person who is trying to send me a message. Get help. We need need your help in the school. Okay, depending on where you, once they do that, they send, and then once it comes, I receive that, and then if I go to my teams now, you see it's already on my teams. We need your help in school. And if I go to my inbox and check now, I have a new message notification. We need your help in school. Thank you very much. I hope you find this video useful, and you can also reach out to me with this. Now it's very easy. If you have a complaint, reach out to me and I'll be glad to support you. Make sure you do well to subscribe to my channel for updates like this. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one.